How to make YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. First of all, you have to open up YouTube and make sure to log in with your YouTube account. Here, making your YouTube channel visible in search results require optimizing your channel and content. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to use a clear and relevant name that reflects your content. So make sure you have a clear channel name. In order to view your channel, go to the profile icon at the top right and go to view your channel. And here you can see all about your channel. If you want to customize channel, click on customize channel, and here you can change your channel name. You can add profile picture, you can change your handle name, and under that there is a description. So under channel description, include your keyword that describe your channel's purpose and content. Here you can tell viewers about your channel, which will appear in the about section of your channel and search results among the other places. So some of the tips for channel description is to start with a hook. You can always begin a sentence that captured attention and explain your channel unique value. And after that, you have to highlight your content. Mention the type of video that you upload and how they help a certain or entertain your audience. And make sure to keep your description clear and concise. Now once you're done adding your description, go to the settings on your left hand side, click on settings and then go to channel. And under this section there you have a text box to add keywords. So here you can add some of the keywords that describe your channel and your content. So under this text box you have to think about your content and write down the things related to your channel's focus. For example, if you have a cooking channel, then you can write recipes, cooking tips, baking, healthy meals, or vegetarian dishes. So that type of keywords will attract your audience. Or you can research some of the popular keywords using tools like Google Trends, TopBuddy, and Vedic. And include specific keywords. You can use both general and long tail keywords that will attract your audience attention. So therefore, by optimizing both of your description and your keyword, you will improve your channel's chances of being discovered by the right audience. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.